Hi people, good morning. Today is 16th of August 2020 and we have come to a place called Groot and Kleinmeer. It's in Wintelre. I hope I pronounced it right. It's called a nature walk place. Seems really beautiful. The way was good. It's around 14 kilometers from where we stay. Where we have this is where we have parked our car. That's the main road, so you just come all the way there and you can just park your car here, and the way starts like this. So yes, let's walk with me. So this is the continuity of the walking trail, and what we are seeing is pretty different from what we have explored till now. Looks very exciting to us, and let's keep going. See this narrow one.
Yeah, this is quite narrow.
Yeah, and it's a wooden
Trail.
Yeah, exciting, huh?
You go, Akash.
Akash would love to go on this.
Wow, it's so narrow trail and you have to cross this vegetation. Wow. Enjoying. Beautiful trail, full of lush greenery all around, and thin walking path. You can see the water beneath. It's marshy land. You can find scanty vegetation here and berries, different berries, blackberries. Come to a different side of the forest. Here we can find different trees.
Never seen like this in any of our trail.
Yeah, these are different trees. Quite dense and marshy as well. At some you can find algae and all. This side is okay, but this side is very dense. Just look at this. It's very strange. So we are reaching the lake over here. It is said that it's not that deep. So yeah. here is the lake. I think we can sit down and enjoy the food also. Yeah. See, there are a lot of dogs here. They're enjoying the water. Yeah. We are going to sit on this